digital heroes.
I get comments like, you're a girl and you're so funny. So breaking stereotypes is what I think we should all do. We should provide female comedians an equal space.
हेलो एवरीवन, मैं असल पद्मश्री कंगना रनौत। आज मैं एक्सपोज करूंगी क्रिकेट माफिया को। अस्सलाम वालेकुम मेरे इंस्टाग्राम के बंदो। मैं भैया अच्छा वाला टाइम कट रहा था, टीवी पे रिया की ग्रिलिंग देख के फालतू में ये बकवास खबरें दिखाने लग गई है कि जीडीपी गिर रहा है।
20-year-old Saloni Gaur needs no introduction.
हम तो पहले भी पानी में दूध मिला के पी रहे थे, पाउडर वाला पनीर खा रहे थे, अब भी सब सेम चल रहा है। हथौड़ा लेके कहाँ जा रही है? वो टीवी तोड़ना था। अब आजकल बहुत बेकार न्यूज़ देख रही हो।
The internet sensation has taken social media platforms like Twitter and Instagram by storm with her no-holds-barred spin on news and current affairs.
I got my first phone in 2017. I got to explore all these apps. Earlier, I was not on Instagram, I was not on Facebook, anywhere. So I got to know that you can also post videos on Instagram. So there were only quite a few creators back then. So I thought maybe I can also do this. I had a private account. I started putting out videos, and then I made it public and everybody started watching them.
Her digital avatars like Nazma, Api and Kangana have grabbed eyeballs and stirred up a Twitter storm.
लेकिन मैं अपना सपना जरूर पूरा करूंगी। मैं अपना खुद का IPL बनाऊंगी।
I mean, politics is in our everyday lives, and reading newspaper, watching news channels was a part of my life. It was an everyday habit, and I've been a student of political science. So yeah, I was quite well aware of these things. So it comes naturally into my videos.
Unafraid to talk politics, this young comedian from Bulandshahr doesn't shy away from hot issues of the day.
इंट्रोवर्ट था हमारा लड़का। जब से उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड खुशी ने उसके साथ ब्रेकअप किया था, तब से पबजी की दुनिया में खुश रहता था। आपने तो ये खुशी भी छीन ली उससे।
I always thought of being a comedian, a stand-up comedian. This profession doesn't have a stable income. Comedians don't get income every month, which is fixed. So I thought maybe I'll become a banker because I was preparing for my banking exams. My mother wanted me to join some bank because she doesn't like to stand in queues. It was very, very traumatic for me doing all these permutation combinations and all that stuff. So yeah, everything happened on a certain time, and I'm quite lucky that I got famous. My videos went viral on a specific time before my graduation. It's good that these platforms are providing us enough space, and if your content is good, your voice will be heard, and you will reach out to many people as you can.
कभी कोई नेता भद्दा स्टेटमेंट देता है, कभी कोई हीरो फिल्मों में स्टॉकिंग को प्रमोट करता है।
Sharply political, but not personal, Saloni walks on the razor's edge, but nonchalantly.
It's tongue-in-cheek humor. I just touch it and I just go. I don't think I'll ever offend anyone. I mean, people do get offended by anything. Even if I'm saying something about my friends, my parents, they will just say, how can you say that to him? How can you say that to her? The best way to deal with them is to not deal with them at all. Because these are just keyboard warriors. They have free time, they have cheap internet, they just type whatever they feel. And they are not even my audience. And my comedy is quite unbiased. If I'm saying something about the policies of the central government, and then someday I'll even say something about the Delhi government if they are doing something wrong. It's our government, and we are the ones who put them there. So yeah, nothing wrong in that.
बॉलीवुड की हीरोइन है, कौन से खेत की मूली, माफ कीजिएगा मेरा मतलब था, कौन से खेत का माल फूकती हैं। रब बॉलीवुड का तो मन है मेरा कोन्या, पर तुम लोग जरूर कुछ फूक के बैठे हो।
So what's her secret sauce?
It took me 2.5 years to get this much of an audience and start earning. So it doesn't happen in a month or two, but it will eventually happen if your content is good. It doesn't require a good production quality. I mean, I used to shoot my videos from my phone only, and I used to hold that phone in my hand. I didn't have a tripod, I didn't have a light, nothing I had. But if your content is good, you may eventually get there. My mother is only worried that I have shifted to a whole new city and I'm quite young. She's only worried about that thing, but she's never worried about the content that I pick. My father is, he's very interested in politics. And so he gets quite happy that, her daughter is also keeping an interest on everything that is happening around the world. So yeah, he gets happy only. He doesn't understand all these social media numbers. Whenever I put up a video, he just watches it and then he's like कि अच्छा किया, आज acting अच्छी थी. He's not that fluent in English, but you know, whenever he watches a video, he gets happy that अगर नहीं भी समझ में आता है, some things only our generation can understand. So he's like कि I didn't get that joke, but अच्छा था, acting अच्छा करा, you were looking good. So yeah, they are my parents. They will always be happy in whatever I do.